Facial Infusion is Osmosis's premier back bar professional treatment. And all the estheticians out there that are incorporating it are doing your skin a huge service. And you say, why? What's different about that from a chemical peel or something else? Well, the truth is that most of the procedures out there today traumatize the skin to try to get rejuvenation. And what we've learned here at Osmosis is that in fact your skin thrives when it's not traumatized, when you have this holistic stimulation of collagen and elastin. And that's exactly what Facial Infusion does. Now you can mix it with you can customize it. So each time it can be something unique for how your skin is at that moment. But in general, what you're trying to do is generate a 30-day collagen activation. And we do this with using a significant amount of our special vitamin A called retinaldehyde and our special delivery system, which is a pharmaceutical grade liposome delivery system. And that combined with a lot of other nutrients that are cofactors in the rejuvenation process are what create such amazing results.